Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a new document with the correct units and color mode. This ensures consistent output. Import your reference logo, or sketch and position it on a locked layer so nothing shifts while you trace. Once done, create a working layer and save version 1 to preserve the original. Make sure to set snapping and grid preferences now so shapes align precisely. These first steps prevent rework later and make vector tracing far more predictable and accurate. You now convert the reference into clean vector shapes by tracing with the pen or Bezier tool, reducing nodes as you go for smooth curves. Once paths are ready, use Boolean operations like weld, trim, and intersect to build compound elements. PowerClip helps contain complex artwork. Then apply fills, strokes, and gradients thoughtfully. Choose stroke alignment and consistent widths. As you work, group related objects and use layers. This keeps the structure tidy and makes later edits quick and logical. You finish by aligning, spacing, and converting text to curves to avoid font issues, then save a master CDR. Export the logo in required formats: SVG for vectors, PNG for raster at specified DPI, PDF for print, and choose the right color profile. Once exported, test the files at multiple sizes. If something breaks, check node order, overlapping fills, stray objects, and locked layers. Undo to a saved version, and isolate the problem shape before reapplying Boolean operations or re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.